All right, so the Deegan controversy, my thoughts, and I've seen so many different takes. I've seen Rubbins racing and, whatever. Deegan's an idiot, Smith's an idiot. All I saw was this. I saw Jordan Smith blitz the whoops way faster than Deegan and almost pass him on the outside. And Deegan kind of went middle to outside, and Smith was outside to outside, and they kind of bumped. And at that moment they bumped, you could clearly tell that Deegan took offense to that. I don't know why, because he was on the outside fading out, or he was on the middle fading out. Jordan Smith would have passed him on the outside. I don't know how you can ever take offense to somebody passing you on the outside, but there was clearly something there. That's when he started looking at Smith. They were looking at each other. Deegan's clearly slowing down and looking at him, blocking him. But it wasn't just a regular kind of block. It was so comical that the announcers actually thought they were playing around with each other, and then it was clear that wasn't happening. So they've obviously got beef. I don't think Jordan Smith did anything wrong there, and I don't know. I think Deegan needs to check himself before this gets crazy.